has been doing this for so many years, and my dad didn't realize that I was very interested in it. And then he threw me in a car one day, and I didn't want to get out.
It's a pretty big competition between the three of us. You know, we're always trying to beat each other. That's like our goal when we come out here. Obviously, we want to win, but you know, we want to finish in front of one or the other.
No, I don't let none of them win, and they know that I'm pretty competitive. I mean, they already got an advantage on me. They're young and they can see better, and the only thing they're lacking is stupidness and balls. So.
It's awesome to be in the same classes with my dad and my brother because I know I'm just as competitive as they are, and I get to run alongside them.
I don't know very many people who get to race with their whole family, and it's pretty cool. You help each other out in the trails when you can if you need something, and if not, you just blow by them and say see ya.
Tell me something about wheeling.
My sister is, she's a little go-getter, man. She reminds me a lot of my dad.
Bailey, she's like a mini me. Sometimes she can be a little Betty. Waylon, he's a badass little driver, and they're both good hard workers, and I'm pretty proud dad.
My dad's an amazing person. He will teach you everything he knows because he wants you to be better. He wants you to do the best out here just like him.
And we all work at the shop together and work on the cars, and I mean, it's pretty funny, you know, we'll always talk a little crap to each other.
One of us is usually yelling at each other because someone did something wrong, or you know, it's just working with family, it's not easy, but you know, it's worth it to be able to do this.